looked for my Dremel for about 20 minutes and I can't find it. There it is. See it sticking. Hi, welcome back. Tonight might be kind of a short video, kind of battling the coldness out here. It's 17 degrees outside right now. Inside here is not too bad, but it's cold. We can see a glow, but I got my heater on down here for these cats. So they're in here with me tonight. But I think the majority of what we're gonna do is clean welds, get as far as I can before the cold gets me. Hopefully we can get it all tonight, and then it should be weather good enough to paint next time. Paint that pan all up, and then we'll start putting the kick panel back on it. But other exciting news around the place, we have a miniature or a pony. He's only 32 inches tall, but I spent yesterday fixing him a place to stay, which he didn't stay in last night. He's out in the pasture. And it's light. I might put him on here and show you what he looks like. But got him for the in-laws, got him for my oldest, and she's been riding him nonstop. Anyway, that's the only new addition we got over the Christmas. Hope y'all had a good New Year's. Had pretty good when we played cards with family, so hopefully this year bring more progress to the Bronco. Hopefully the truck will be running and driving. There's a lot of hope this year. But regardless, we're gonna stick on this and go as far as I can before I need help. Let's go over here, let's head over there and I'll show you what we're gonna do. We got the guys in here with me tonight. That one right there, his name's Fat Boy. He jumped on me earlier. And that's Chester. Missing 2, Boyd and Cece. I guess they're outside still. But I got them set up with the heater there and a heater over there, so they should be good tonight. Because it's supposed to get down even colder. I don't know if I showed you, but I've cleaned up a little bit. Still like a lot to do. But the main thing this evening is gonna be grinding these welds here and through here. Want to get them all down, at least roughly knocked down like these tonight, and then maybe next time go back over it and smooth them out a bit, kind of like how we did right here. And then they'll be ready for some of that rust reformer. But like I said, once we get that done, we'll have to push this back up, get that kick panel where we had it, and get it screwed back in everywhere where we screwed down to. That way it can be pretty solid again, because right now it's, you can see it just shaking. So let's kind of hit this hard tonight as far as I can get before I get too cold, and hopefully next time we'll be painting. don't know if you can see, but we got some holes we need to plug up here and a lot through here. So figure I'm probably gonna start welding the holes up, and then if it's not too bad out here, may regrind those down and call it a night. But let's get to a little bit of welding. Well, I'm gonna call it right there for tonight. Had to re-weld in here a little bit. It's all pretty flat, but just looks bad. And a few other spots we had to just put some weld in some holes. This right there here is flat with the pan, except for this part right down here. Looked for my Dremel for about 20 minutes and I can't find it. There it is. See it sticking out of that bag. We'll get the Dremel next time with one of the little stone balls and grind this down through here and get this flat with the pan. And all this is pretty good. Even up here is really good. It's all flat except for a little bitty part at the very end, and I'll get it with that little stone ball and the Dremel. And after that, getting those two things knocked down, I think we'll go back over it with our little air tool here, make it look like this best we can. You can still see gouges and stuff, but I'm just trying to get all the rough stuff out. And then, of course, take this off, clean it all down, and then hopefully we'll spray. I'll probably spray it, and then I'll come back and sand this back down through here, transmission tunnel, and around here, just kind of knock some of the dirt and grime off. Probably clean it first. Then if there's any like rust spots that I can see, which I don't really see any, then we'll, of course, get those. And like right here, get that down to bare metal and treat that and spray the rest of this. And I'm gonna go ahead and sand this back down to bare metal since it has that weld through primer on it. I need to find the piece that goes from here to here. We may weld that on next time too. I'm gonna stitch weld the corner, kind of give it a nice contour hopefully. And paint. I'm thinking while the kick pedal's off, I may try to come in here and get some of this kind of knocked off and clean this up a bit. That way it won't be look so bad. I guess that's this stuff right here is dripped down into it. Anyways, I think we're a pretty good spot. Like I said, temperature's dropping out here. It's dark outside, so it's probably colder than what it was when we came in. But we'll get the finishing sanded done next time and hopefully paint. And like I said before, we're gonna find that piece. We may put that on too before we paint. I don't know yet, but we're getting there. Well, I think that'll do it for me tonight. Like I said, it's getting pretty cold out here. Lloyd's in here now. The other two, I guess my grinding scared them. But thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.